Alrighty, we got the bumper car. I think bumper car problems are hard. That's because the bumper cars don't stick together. Typically they don't. All right, let's draw a picture of this. We got bumper car A going to the east. So this is A, and it's 470 kilograms. And let's make east to the right. East is to the right, so that's going to be our positive direction. So that's a positive velocity. That 3.8 is positive. So positive 3.80. And then bumper car B is going to the west. So it's a head-on collision. Do we figure that out? Okay, so this is B, and B is only 420 kilograms, but it's going faster. 5.20. Now, the fact that it's to the west means I'm going to put a minus sign on that, okay? Because this guy's going in the negative direction. Okay, so now after the collision, car A is actually going back the other way. So it's going to the east to begin with, but notice after the collision, it's going to the west. So let's draw a picture of that. Here's A, still 470 kilograms, right? But it's got a velocity of negative 1.30 meters per second, okay? These are all meters per second. All right, so there it is, and then B, so this guy's, they hit each other, they bounce off each other, right? Okay, and then what we want to know is how fast, what is the velocity of this guy, okay? Well, whatever the velocity is, it's got to be such that the total momentum before and after are equal, right? So that's the beginning of this, right? Okay, so we're going to go 470 times 3.8, and that's positive because it's to the right, plus 420 times negative 5.2 because it's to the left. Okay, that equals 470 times negative 1.3 plus 420 times V. Okay, so just if you take your time and draw a picture of this, you should be good, right? If you can draw a picture of it, I feel like setting up the math is easy. Now, doing the math, I don't know, right? Okay, so here's what I do with this. I'm just going to go this times this plus this times that. Careful about the negative though, right? So 470 times 3.8 plus 420 times negative 5.2. I did that all in one step and I get negative 398. And then that equals, I'm going to go 470 times negative 1.3. That is negative 611 plus 420V. Okay, so now I'm set. I'm going to add 611 to both sides, which gets rid of that, right? So negative 398 plus 611 is 213. So I end up with 213 equals 420 times V. Notice it ends up being positive, right? Because when you put that on that side, it's a positive number. And now I just have to divide by 420. Okay, I'm getting that V is 0.507 meters per second. Did I get the right answer? Yeah. Okay, now, the fact that it's positive means that it's to the east. Okay, so you have to literally say east or west. You can't just leave it up to the person grading it. Person grading it doesn't know your system of signs, right? Okay, so you need to say, if I'm giving you east and west, you need to say east and west. If I give you right and left, you need to give me right and left. Okay? All right.